Okay, in level 1, we learned how to make chiball and we used it for our own good. But this time we're going to be making the chiball in the level 2. Since we can give healing to others, we're going to use this chiball for the betterment of others. We use it for the world healing, for the peace in the world, or for the healing of the planet, anything. Okay, we're going to be doing a small example, a small demo. All right, so this is how we're going to be making the chi ball and sending it for the, let's say for planet Earth and for the world peace at the same time. Okay, so we start with a prayer. I thank Reiki, I thank myself, I thank Dr. Mikausi or my gurus. So we keep saying a prayer, and after that, we're going to draw all the symbols we are aware of in the level 2. So we have Chokure, we have Seiki, we have Hansha-Zeishanen, Chokure, Seiki, Hansha-Zeishanen. I'm going to add Shanti, which is a Karuna Reiki symbol. Shanti means peace. And I add that symbol. And now we're going to start making the ball. So how do we make the ball? We're going to rub our hands as rigorously as possible. Just do claps. And we'll start to make the chi ball in front of our heart chakra. And we'll start to feel that energy build up in front of our heart chakra. And at the same time, we're going to be using our affirmations. So we're giving the affirmations to the chi ball. So we're going to start with, let's say, I believe that there is an abundance of good in this world and people are doing good things and taking care of Mother Earth and our planet. I believe there is enough water, food, shelter, love, money for everybody on earth. I believe that everybody is living in peace and harmony. The people on earth are becoming more tolerant and accepting of each other. I believe there is empathy amongst all the human beings, and we all are making best choices to help Mother Earth and to help each other. So either we can repeat these affirmations or we can add as many affirmations we want. And at the same time, we keep making the ball. And you can start to feel the heaviness of energy in the form of ball between our palms. And you can do it for 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. It's up to you. Okay, I think I'm done. And I'm going to hold the ball, send it to our planet. And I just say, thank you, Reiki, for healing our planet and our Mother Earth. Thank you. And that's about it. We can do it once a week. We can do it once a month. It's up to us. If we want to send healing to somebody, we can just make a chi ball for that person. If somebody has gone for an exam, send a chi ball for them to write the exam at ease and not fret and stress out. So we can do that. We can make use of this chi ball beautifully.